If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know my spliff them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Slip them girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and Fam, the lights don't even look that like patterned behind me. Like they look alright still, but but anyway, man. First to the face, I hear the voice and I don't know say KOGENCY for the KOGENCY Rocks channel. And today we have story of MizOrMac, Harlem Spartans, King of Drill. Now, while he's in jail and we ain't getting no music right now, we have to find a way to, you know what I'm saying, involve MizOrMac onto our channel, because we can't have a drill related channel without MizOrMac on it, bro. As I said, King of Drill, you know what I'm saying? He's arguably the King of Drill. He's definitely one of the best artists drill has ever seen. But is he the King of Drill? I'm not sure. Let me know. Let me know if MizOrMac is your King of Drill. I don't really have a King of Drill, to be honest. I have like artists that I fuck with, you understand? But I don't have a King of Drill at all. Like, to me, LD is the King of Drill. Like, nobody will take the crown from LD, you understand? So, any King of Drill talk after that is like, what are we talking about? You understand? But anyway, man, let's just jump into it. I don't want to waste any more time. Leave a like. I leave a comment for no reason. Comment for no reason, please. And thank you. Or just comment anything for no reason.
I throw that out your window.
I throw that out the window.
Bro. Please, bro.
Drillers UK.
Out my window, what, bro? They're gonna do the
They're gonna do the mad thing.
Then, bro, you just got your face banged, didn't it?
Face banged, didn't it?
A and E. It was not that tea because it was some masking cheese. At the school, these fuck. They come to a
like. Usually when people do that as well, in a dog, make those freestyles in their cars, you know. I'm talking about that M. freestyle. They hide their face. Even Sus is hiding his face, and Sus is in East Africa. You understand? And you're there living in your ends, just rapping it, bait face or everything. Anyway, man, continue.
Point where could you reckon music would ever be able to free you away from that sort of things?
100%. Yeah.
What point is that for you?
Never. They'll never get freed from it. They're stuck.
There's a fucking couple of things I can smoke on.
If it's up, then it's stuck. Story of MizOrMac, Harlem Spartans. Free him. No, he bust his case. Allegedly. And it hasn't been confirmed. Well, from what I've seen. Because for me, bro, I don't check my phone as often as I should. You understand? But definitely, I've seen a lot of niggas talking about they got good news and rare. But right after they got good news, one of the Harlem niggas that's been in the videos that I've been seeing passed away, dog. So RIP to him, you know what I'm saying? Man, them mourning the loss right now, right after Miz bust his case. Did he bust his case? Let me know.
MizOrMac aka Mizzy or Samurai Jack is a
Samurai
well-known
Jack.
rapper from Harlem Spartans and is considered by many as the king of drill due to his crazy flow.
Yeah.
He was born in America but moved to the UK as a kid and ended up jumping on a road while living in Stockwell, South London.
What?
While repping 1017 as a young G, he was stabbed in his head by M Block members.
So fam, almost everybody used to rep 10. Wait. Come from South London. Cause I swear to you, bro. Who else were we reacting to? And they used to rep 10. And then somebody even told me that LD used to rep 10. And even in his song, and I still lurk on 10 road like when I used to sleep in them flats. Man, I'm still wicked and bad. I could fuck cause you claim that we beef every time that you see me, you run. Bro, you know my brain and the music. But yeah, man, Bear 107 rejects, you know. I'm joking.
Leaving him with a scar which he tries to cover up. He ended up switching to Harlem in 2014 and was always good friends with lots of their members. Mizzy was friends with AM410 and other 410 members and was friends with all of them. This is not unusual as AD Harlem and Nags Harlem were also close with many 410 members.
Wow.
However, this would all end in 2016 when Losky was pressured in jail to siding with 6-7 against 410 and 150, who they already had problems with at the time. QQ also had beef with Brixton since 2006 when Fame QQ killed Tiny Alan Ock, and they are still beefing today. Soon after, Bex HS, Bis Harlem and many other Harlem members would catch Sparks 410 lacking and make him strip. Sparks rid back and stabbed him in the head among other points scored. As the beef was kicking off, Mizzy would ride with his members and would score multiple points during the war.
Oh my God. R.I.P. Bis. That's crazy. Sparks. Nags Max.
MizOrMac had already scored on China Walk on at least 2 occasions in 2015. He had stabbed one member with Losky and also shot at a group of them on the mains, which was a very bait drill. This was because China Walk killed his friend MKY, and even though he wasn't Harlem, he would still want to ride for his friend. He would then turn his attention to Brixton and scored numerous times, riding often with Essa Harlem boss, GG, Nags and AD. In early 2016, Mizzy would be riding with Essa and Nags when they spotted BMA 410 and stabbed him 8 times. Sa would end up stabbing BMA on his own on another occasion and was really active in the beef. It's also good to remember that most of the drillers mentioned in this story were only 16-18 during this period and were really fresh out of school and clee.
And what I want to know is, why were these guys even bother going to college, dog? Like, you were fully on smoke. Why were you going to college? And I'm sure niggas are in college right now still on smoke, you know. Repping gangs and doing a whole mad thing while in college, you know, that. But like, I just don't get it, dog. I don't get it. Why are you trying to play both sides? Like, you can't, it never works.
In March 2016, he was with Super Saf QQ where they spotted Black's 410 and other 410 members in Tennessee chicken shop. Mizzy backed out a belt and started hitting the while Saf stabbed Blacks and...
A belt? The man is beating them, like literally like their father. Like an African beat, or a Jamaican, hey, where y'all go? Whooping, niggas is whooping their ass on the art block. That's crazy.
Mizzy backed out a belt and started hitting the while Saf stabbed Blacks and he got in each other's way fleeing, with Mizzy falling over. They both got attempted murder cases but Mizzy busted and Saf got 7 years and is fresh home.
Oh my God. What the fuck? That's mad. Imagine if Mizzy never bust that case, we would have never even seen him.
Attempted murder cases but Mizzy busted and Saf got 7 years and is fresh home. Mizzy wouldn't stop here, riding soon after, and this time would be in Angel Town with Sa again when they spotted J-Band's 150 and Kone's 150. They both ran but Kone's was caught and stabbed badly through his chest, receiving a collapsed lung, and he still has breathing problems today.
And what's crazy, because you're going to say something about J-Bands after. Oh, what's crazy again, bro? This J-Bands nigga, bro. This nigga I've never heard a song from him, never done a story on him, but I've heard his name so many times just listening to drill and drill culture, dog. Like, the man them just can't leave J-Bands alone. Or J-Bands, you can't stay inside, bro. Like, every time I hear your name is when somebody just catch you outside just chilling on a one random thing. What's wrong with these gang members and just chilling outside, bro? Like, what's the big appeal in chilling outside? You can't chill inside? I don't know, fam. I don't know. But for me, I prefer chilling inside.
This crazy part of this is J-Bands would end up killing S only 2 years later when his gun jammed on him. But at this point, Kennington were lighting up Brixton and were bullying 410 with Sticks 150 boss, Admitting to Rendo 410, they had to start riding. But it was Mizzy who would be riding, and not long after, he would score his point in the beef. He was riding with Losky again on 410, who he really bullied in 2016, and spotted Nutnut 410, who is Sparks' older. They ran him down and stabbed him 7 times, and he has been dissed by Losky recently in a few of his verses, such as Still on the O.
Still on the O ain't recent. Still out on the O was goody. Hundreds of violence fully. Dot come longer than Shuggy Stooky. Duck up Burman's hoodie. Aye. Get like Nut and then talk badder. That's crazy. SD Sparta. Armed feds in the airport screaming don't move, I'm screaming don't shoot. We was playing Aspa, they found one guy, so you know we got plugged in like fumes.
Soon after, MizOrMac would blow up in the UK drill scene in 2016 along with fellow members after his first verse on DJ Khaled with Losky.
Aye, DJ Khaled squad on the upside. What's that? No too easy, man. Those splash and dash man splash. Can I bop and get it? Bros them bros them trap. Pick it up. No, bros them trap, piggle of chat, nitty them ring we get too much talking on the crew, down for the crew. If you ain't with us, you get spot on a crew, down for the crew. If you ain't with us, you better run. The thing is, I'm trying to sing the lyrics and the ad-libs at the same time, which I can't, but my brain does, which is mad. But you know me already, bro. I don't give a fuck.
Losky would already be in jail when it dropped, and he continued to hold it down over the next year, dropping classic after classic. At the same time, he was still drilling on the ops, which he has never stopped doing, as you will find out.
Yes, we will find out.
410 member before the end of 2016, but also kidnapped S9410.
Alright, this is where niggas getting kidnapped. I know this isn't new, cause you know what I'm saying, man like Young Days will be know about that. But when you hear say somebody that you never thought was doing the napping is doing the napping, you thought they were just pulling up on the up block and doing the matting and cutting. Man is napping these niggas and probably torturing them. That's mad, fam. Real movie style.
With other Harlem members such as Nags and AD. S9 ended up going to jail for backing his gun out of SD Harlem, but police arrested him on scene.
Damn.
And I believe he's recently been released. He was planning to ride again, and this time with Blanca Harlem, who he was in a car with in Kennington. Blanca had a gun and Mizzy had a samurai sword. Armed police searched and arrested them, where they were sent to prison with a growing number of Harlem members.
Yeah.
They beat the intent charge, which could have got...
Oh, okay. So, my knowledge from what I'm hearing is 15, 16, 17. Wait. They went to jail in 16? Yeah. Okay. So, my knowledge is 15 and 16, they were so much of a problem that the feds just started locking up everyone. Because even in the songs that they were releasing at the time, they were talking about... it's not 300, but the 294 for the 6 that's locked in pen. And then Blanco said that, and after that, a whole heap of more of them went into jail after that. You understand? So the feds was like, yo, we have to get these niggas off the roads, bro. Okay, so I'm just connecting the sequence of events in my mind. All right, continue.
Them 10 to 15 years, but still received 6 years and 3.8 years respectively. It was a huge loss for the drill scene, and even though Blanco would be home in late 2018, MizOrMac would be inside till June 20th, 20. Inside, he got into a lot of jail beef, which is expected considering how high profile he is, and he never rid Volvo. He smacked up Bigo DYPB but took L's against Skeng CT, Skeng Zone 2, Sharky 12A. And his biggest one against Sappho JB, who threw him off the landing.
Dog, like, nah, man. Like, I'm talking about sometimes, yeah, the man them need to go sit down for some time. When you go jail, you can't even sit down. As soon as you sit down, man them banging your door. Aye. We gotta get cracking, bro. We gotta get cracking. Let's go. Nah. Don't sit down. Let's get cracking. What? Nigga, I just got here, nigga. I just got my sentence, nigga. I'm doing 8 years in this bitch, nigga. You got 8 years to see me, bro. We can do this for the next 8 years, bro. Nah, nigga, we gotta do it now. Let's get cracking, bro. Let's get cracking. Man. That's too much, dog. That's way too hectic.
Other than this, he remained calm and active on social media for the first year inside but went very low when nearing release. With many people claiming they knew his release, they didn't, but eventually he announced his release on June 20th 20 with Return of the Mac, which is a deep song explaining his pain on the roads.
Yeah.
This focused a lot of the murders of Esu and Biswent I go into in my video on Losky, and you should watch.
Yeah, and I watched that, and yeah, go watch my reaction to that, bro. Like, R.I.P. bro.
Shit.
Mizzy and Joe. Free Miz.
Unfortunately, even with songs doing numbers and a clear sense he had learned his lesson, he was sending shots on the net at PS Zone 2, and Bugodi YPB, who claimed he wasn't outside. I saw it happen and hoped he wouldn't do anything stupid. But instead in November 2020, less than 6 months after his release, MizOrMac would see PS and Bugodi recording at a studio in Kennington. He slid with 3 other Harlem members where they ran inside and shot 2 people. Instead, it was 2 women who I will not name, as one is quite well known, as PS and Bugodi had left 10 minutes earlier. When driving away, police would chase them, and allegedly Mizzy flashed a gun at one of them but was eventually arrested. It's unknown who was but Mizzy was recalled immediately and eventually charged with it. I6 Harlem recently beat the case and it's claimed Mizzy did too, but there's no proof so far and I highly doubt it.
Listen, bro. I'm not sure, bro, but you see when something come out and like there's like a compilation of a whole heap of niggas from the set like talking about good news and celebrations and there's only so much you could be talking about, bro. So it's either they're talking about A6 beating the case or Mizzy beating the case. And more than likely they would put it in a story if Mizzy beat the case, because like I don't really know A6, you know what I'm saying? They don't really, but I mean, and then right after that the man them had to say RIP to their friend. But anyway, let's continue.
I6 was with Wars Harlem that night celebrating where they crashed, and Wars died only a few days ago and was another huge loss for Harlem.
Oh yeah, Wars, yes. See, no then, okay, wow. Celebrating that night. They were celebrating and then the nigga died only a few days later. So the man, you see what I mean, dog? Like these guys, they go through so fucking much, dog. Like I can't even wonder why the man him just lash out, dog.
So until then, I assume he's inside and facing at least 10 to 15 years, by which point his rap career will be all but finished.
Yeah.
It's a sad story, as I believe most of us believed that he had truly reformed and was focused on rapping for good, but it seems that's not the case. Please like and subscribe, as at 1K subs I had some big videos.
Alright. Whoo, fam, that's one thing. When I do these videos, dog, it's like when you finish, all of that information just sink and you're like, God damn, like, these niggas did all of that. And there's like so much more that's happening in these niggas' lives that we don't know about, that affecting them on a daily. And you understand? It's like, fuck, you know. But yet still, we just, you know, hear some music and and think like everything is nice. Like, nah, fam. I know shit is fucked up, blood. You understand? Jano, dog. So, if A6 beat the case, I hope Mizzy can beat the case too, nigga. Shit. Anyway. Hit that like button, jump in the comments for no reason. KOGENCY on the KOGENCY Reacts channel, and I'm out this motherfucker, man. Yes.
Yeah. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl.